Hey, it's Mariah, and I just wanted to make a video to inform you guys that I am reborn expecting twins. They're going to be twin girls. I'm not saying their kids or their names yet, just because I don't want people to steal the names, even though they probably will, even once I tell everybody. But yeah. So I don't know if I'll be doing a box opening or not because I'm driving to go pick them up. So I don't know if I'll have to do a box opening or not, but it'd be kind of like interesting because I've never went to drive to pick up a reborn before. So yeah, but I just wanted to inform you guys that I'm reborn expecting girl twins, and that's all I really wanted to say in this video. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.